The function notation that we have used in Math 3 is typically written as f of g of x and g of f of x. However, the function notation that you will see most often in pre-calculus and in calculus and most of your other math courses is going to be f of g of x and g of f of x, like this. But it means the same thing and it's pronounced the same way. You might also see functions written as different letters. So instead of f and x, you might see h of g of x written as h of g of x, or g of k of x written as g of k of x. So be prepared to see some notations and letters that you don't think of as a standard function notation, but the higher your math gets, the stranger your notations kind of begin to get. And these function notations work the same way as the other notations. So if you see it written as f of g of x, you're still going to work with this g function first and then work your way out to the f function. And the same is true if you see g of f of x. You start with this inner function first, and then you work your way to the outer function.